Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to export image from CapCut, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to export image from CapCut. First, you need to place the timeline cursor to the frame where you want to export. After that, click in the three lines and then click Export Still Frames, and here you can give a name and export to, you can export to desktop, document, or this PC. Just select where you want to export to. And here the resolution, you have 480, 720, 1080, and for the format file, here PNG or JPEG, and import project. Just be sure it's on. After that, click export, and you can see the image. It's here, it's added to the medium, and you can drag it here to the timeline if you want to edit it. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to export image from CapCut. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.